Let's connect the TP-Link RE190 via smartphone. First of all, make sure that you have this power indicator glowing solid blue lights, and then you can continue on your phone. Go to your respective application store and download this application, TP-Link Tether. Open the application. And if you don't have the TP-Link account, you will have to create one. This process is super simple, so let me skip the explanation. Just create account and log in, and you will see this screen which is named My Devices. If you are not on this screen, tap on the burger menu and select My Devices from the list. Now I see my main router in the list, but I need to see this extender here. So let me connect to the extender's network. Go to Wi-Fi settings, find TP-Link extender, tap on that, wait until connected, and go back to the application. Now you see RE190 here, and if you don't see, you can tap on this plus icon, tap on add a range extender. Once again, make sure that the power indicator is solid on, and then press on this button and just wait for searching to be finished. Now you're asked to set device password. This is not Wi-Fi password, this is the password to access the extender's settings from different gadgets and different web browsers. So let the password be simple. Let's tap on this icon to see what we type in. Let it be simple, but not too simple. Just write it down somewhere to not forget. Then tap on next. Wait for a while once again. And now we need to choose the network we wish to extend. My router's network is named My Wi-Fi, so I wish to extend this network 2.5 GHz first. Now I'm entering my current Wi-Fi password. Tap on next. Now let's extend the 5 GHz network to enter password. If everything is correct, tap on next here, and here you can rename your extender. For example, if you have different extenders in different rooms, you can give them different names to tell them apart, but for now let me stick with defaults and wait for the settings to be applied. Something is going on the routers, on the extenders indicators. Now we have 4 in a row. It means we have Wi-Fi is broadcasted, 2.4G and 5G networks are working, but the smartphone is still in process of something. So when you see this screen which is named confirm location and 4 blue indicators on your extender, it means you're all set, and now you can just relocate your extender between your router and Wi-Fi dead zone in your house. But keep in mind that the extender should be placed within the router's range, and if you see the red Wi-Fi indicator here, second from the bottom, it means the signal is too weak and you have to relocate your extender closer to the router. So when you're okay with the extender's location, tap on next. Now you can connect to your Wi-Fi, copy password. Let's go to Wi-Fi settings once again, and here it is, My Wi-Fi extended. EXT stands for extended. Let's connect to 5 GHz band without password so far, but for new gadget you will be asked to enter Wi-Fi password. This is the same password as for your main router. So now let's go back to the application, And from this application you can manage 90% of your extenders settings, including connecting to one mesh seamless network. It means that all your routers and extenders can be connected into a unified network, and all your gadgets will connect to the Wi-Fi at the fastest possible speed from any nook and cranny of your house. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and be awesome. Bye guys.